Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated process of uploading a folder to Dropbox using the app. Whether you're organizing your files or backing up important documents, uploading folders directly makes managing your cloud storage smoother and faster. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're in, look for the plus sign, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. This plus button is your gateway to adding new files and folders to your Dropbox. After tapping the plus sign, a menu will pop up with several options. Here, select Upload Folder. This feature lets you upload an entire folder, not just individual files, which saves you time and keeps related files together. Next, your device's file browser will open, allowing you to navigate through your storage to find the exact folder you want to upload. Take a moment to locate the folder carefully, whether it contains photos, documents, or any other data you want backed up online. Once you've selected the folder, tap the Upload button to start the process. Dropbox will begin uploading the entire folder and its contents to your cloud storage. Depending on the size of the folder and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the upload is complete, you'll find your folder neatly organized in your Dropbox account, accessible from any device with your login. This makes it easy to share, edit, or simply back up your files securely. And that's it. Uploading a folder on Dropbox with the updated app is straightforward and efficient. By following these simple steps, you can keep your files safe in the cloud and accessible at any time. Thanks for watching.